I'm Dr. Sandra Palma, and in this series, I'm teaching you how to use my process, sub-diagnostic analysis, to wrap your head around common medical problems. Let's talk about PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. The reason they named it that is there's often a finding of multiple cysts on the ovaries in these women, which are up to 25% of American women, by the way. The diagnosis PCOS itself is a bit of a trash can diagnosis. It doesn't really help us understand the root cause or how to treat. A diagnosis of PCOS really only tells us that a woman has 2 out of 3 of the following: ovarian cysts, high testosterone, and insulin resistance, or elevated blood sugar and metabolic issues. Dr. Felice Gersh gets into the root cause though. She wrote a book called PCOS SOS, and she argues that PCOS has 2 main root causes: chemicals from plastics that mess with hormone receptors, the most famous one is BPA, and sad microbiome, resulting in leaky gut and causing chronic inflammation system-wide. And studies show that BPA levels are elevated in women with PCOS. This is a slide from Felice Gersh's presentation at Dutch Fest in 2019 about how BPA and other toxicants are actually causing fat cells to grow out of control. Yeah, they're making you fat. Should I drop the mic now or later? So how do we get BPA out of the body? Well, the best idea is just to avoid the exposure entirely. Unfortunately, that's going to be pretty difficult until the federal regulatory bodies that are in place to protect you start actually giving a about your health. So, in the meantime, if you live under a government that doesn't care about your health, you can get in the sauna. Sweating's good.